2026 to the effect that efforts to reach the two remaining witnesses as proposed by the accused persons on their telephone numbers have been in vain or have been futile because the telephone numbers are unavailable since the first time they were expected to be reached out to. And as I already indicated earlier, the accused person only provided telephone numbers and no physical address. In light of that, the defense has closed the case for the accused, and it is accordingly closed. We shall proceed with the submissions now. Counsel for the accused person, are you ready to make your submissions? Since he called witnesses, you are the people to begin the submission.
My Lord, whereas it's true we attended the court throughout from the first witness, it is today that we have gotten the proceedings of court. So we are unable to proceed. And right now it's 11. We would ask for 3 hours to do this. We summarize and we come and make our submissions. I pray so, my Lord.
Mr. Kumbuga, would 2 hours be sufficient? If I gave you 2, would you be able to run through your evidence and make the submissions?
My Lord, the 2 hours are not enough. I pray for beyond 2 hours.
That's fine. Prosecution, when we come back, I want to actually grant the prayer up to 3 p.m. and I want to propose that you know your case, so when they make their submissions at that time, you should be able to make a reply there and then. I can give you maybe about 20 or so minutes to organize yourselves after their submissions.
My Lord, we shall be in position to make a reply instantly. And we also want to propose that to maximally use court's time, we shall share our skeleton submissions in anticipation of theirs and authorities ahead of time, so that the defense can be in position to predict our line of argument and also prepare for a rejoinder, and or rather bear in our mind our submissions as they also envisage the rejoinder, my lord.
Thank you so much. Mr. Okello, your case has been closed, and your lawyers have requested for some time. They have requested for 3 hours to prepare their submissions. They are summing up their case for the court, and so I have given them that time up to 2:15, when we shall come here and we listen to the submissions. So this matter is stood over to 2:15 p.m. Let's her interpret first.
Okuwuliriza oludda lw'omwawaabirwa kuggaddwawo, obujulizi bwabwe buggaddwawo, era puliida w'omwawaabirwa asabye essaawa 3 asobole okuteekateeka empumbawumba y'omusango guno, era okusaba kwe kukkiriziddwa. Kooti ejja kudda ku ssaawa 8:15 tuwulirize okuwumbawumba kw'oludda olw'owaabirwa.
Let us leave them.
But that is necessary. So, I think I'm coming to just to explain, because you can get seated, please. Now, the stage we have reached is called submission stage.
Omutendera gwe tutuuseeko gwe gw'empumbawumba oy'omusango guno.
And that stage means that lawyers for the accused are going to submit in making defense. They are going to give reasons making defense for the accused.
Tera ng'omutendera guno bapuliida Okello bagenda kuba bawumbawumba nga bawa okwewozaako ku Okello mu bufunze.
So they have said they need time.
Era basabye nti beetaaga obudde.
They asked for 3 hours.
Basabye essaawa 3.
So that they read what has been happening from day 1 and then make defense.
Basobole okusoma byonna ebibadde bigenda mu maaso okuva ku lunaku olwasooka, basobole okuba nga bajjamu empumbawumba mu kwewozaako kwa Okello.
So judge has allowed them
Omulamuzi abakkiriza
up to 2:15.
paka ku ssaawa 8:15.
So if you want to stay, you can remain.
bwe muba mwagala okusigala musobola okusigalawo.
How many hours are those from now? I think 2+. If you want to go for lunch, I think you can still go because there is lunch. 2 hours is a bit long, isn't it?
Nti essaawa okuva kati okutuuka ku 8:15 budde buwanvumu abasobola okugenda mu kyemisana musobola okugenda.
But if you are strong enough to wait up to that time, please stay.
Naye bw'oba olina amaanyi okusigala mpaka kweza essaawa twegayidde osobola okusigala.
So we are still here. Don't say that court has now gone. No, we are still here.
Tukyali wano temugamba nti ate kooti egenze, tukyaliwo.
Thank you.
Mwebale nnyo.